Are you accidentally hurting your engine every time you start your car? Simple mistakes like cranking too long or revving cold can cause starter damage, oil sludge, and even lead to expensive repairs over time. But don't worry, in this video, I'm about to share 5 easy tricks to start your car the right way, plus 1 bonus tip trusted by real mechanics. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Mistake number 1, don't just turn the key, use accessory first. Common mistake, most people go straight to start when they turn the key. Sounds normal, but you're skipping an important step. Why it hurts. If you don't let the fuel pump and oil system kick in first, your engine starts with low pressure. That means metal-on-metal contact right from the start, which wears out parts faster. Expert truth. Turning the key to ACC, accessory mode, for just 2 seconds lets your systems prime properly before the engine turns over. Fix. Turn the key to ACC, wait 2 seconds, then start your car. It's a simple move that helps your engine last longer. Cost if ignored. Over time, you could damage your starter, fuel pump, or even your engine. And those repairs can cost hundreds of dollars. Mistake number 2, don't start with lights or AC on. Common mistake, you leave the AC, radio, or headlights on when starting. Feeling comfy? At first, yes, but long-term, no. Why it hurts. Accessories slam demand onto your battery and starter when they're most vulnerable, leading to early failure. Fix. Turn off everything before you start. Once it's running, you can turn them back on. No strain. Cost if ignored. Dead batteries, burned out starters, and unexpected breakdowns. Mistake number 3. Don't rev when cold. Let it idle first. Common mistake. You give your car a quick rev right after starting, thinking a little gas won't hurt. Why it hurts. When the engine is cold, the oil is thick and doesn't flow well. Revving too soon pushes that oil around before it can properly lubricate the engine, causing extra friction and wear. Fix. Let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds. This gives the oil time to circulate fully. Then you can drive, but do it gently at first. Cost if ignored, you'll cause early engine damage, shorten your engine's lifespan, and risk a costly rebuild later. Mistake number 4, never start while in gear for manual cars. Common mistake. You start your car while it's still in gear and it jumps forward. It's not just embarrassing, it's dangerous too. Why it hurts. Starting in gear puts extra stress on the clutch and transmission, and it can even cause an accident. Fix. Always make sure the car is in neutral and press the clutch pedal fully before you start the engine. It's safer and better for your car. Cost if ignored. You could end up with a worn-out clutch and damaged transmission. Both expensive to fix. Mistake number 5, don't crank the engine too long. Common mistake. You hold the key for more than 5 seconds trying to start the engine. You think, just keep holding it. Wrong. Why it hurts. Long cranking can overheat and burn out the starter motor. Fix. Try starting in 5-second bursts, then wait 5 seconds before trying again. Cost if ignored. You could end up with a bad starter and get stranded when you least expect it. Bonus tip. Gentle cold. Start counts. In cold weather, let your engine idle for just 30 seconds, then drive gently. This protects from sludge buildup and excess friction. Imagine your engine waking up smoothly. Metal stays happy and oil circulates evenly. There you go. 5 essential fixes that every driver should know before starting their car. Used together, they can save you thousands in repairs and add years to your engine's life. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more car-saving secrets delivered weekly.